But again, since the last time I've done the video, I noticed some tips and tricks with this is that a lot of people will over accentuate their breath into this. So they'll actually take a big deep breath in and blow into this thing like it's a trumpet. That's not how you do this. This is an end of breath thing. So if you're just breathing normal and you're at the end of your exhale, that's when you start. And you just finish your breath into here. Another thing people accidentally do is at the end of that breath, they go, because they're almost feeling like you swam across the pool underwater and you gasp for air, right? Well, so some things that I tell people that are new at using this that aren't used to exhaling that hard is finish that breath, slip your finger over the end so you don't huff the gas back off the sensor, and then wait and see what it says. A lot of times I'll do it 3 times in a row just to see how high I can get the gauge, and it allows for any inconsistencies in my breathing. The gas sensor in here is really accurate. It's 1 to 2% parts reading in parts per million. It's a good tool. Like I said, if you're troubleshooting or if you're trying to maximize your workouts, that's great. Again, do you need it, Ketonix or blood meter, to be successful on a ketogenic diet? Not really. Chasing ketones really isn't the point of this little video. The point is that you might be able to use something like this or the blood meter to dial in your ketogenic diet or be more effective with it, which is what I've been playing with. So anyway, happy Sunday. This is your Keto Daddy saying holla if you hear me. Have a good Sunday. Bye, guys.